Men's sheds are all different. There is no set layout or no set building for a men's shed. There's men's sheds located in porta cabins, there's men's sheds in huts, there's men's sheds in development still based in community centres. There is no set way for a men's shed to be. It can be designed however the members like it to be. Mainly the people that attend men's sheds are older people, recently retired, and they have been left with a void in their lives and they're looking now to socialise, get out of the house a bit more. But men's sheds are open to any men over 18, but they're open to anyone over 18. They're not all just for men. There's a lot of inclusive sheds with women attending.
Well, there's no need to be nervous. You'll get a warm welcome if you come along to a shed, introduce yourself. There's always tea and coffee available, and there'll be other people there that have got interests similar to your own. You just got to give it time to get to know them and just see what skill you might develop further. It's not just about woodworking. There are lots of other activities within many sheds as well.
The biggest advantage of coming to a men's shed really is the social aspect of it, in that there is no pressure to do anything. You're not expected to come along and fit in or do a certain thing a certain way. You come along, try the shed, talk to the people there. Now, my experience of all the men's sheds is that everybody's friendly. If you're lonely, if you have just been recently widowed or feeling disconnected, it's a great place to come. Have a chat. It gives you maybe a reason, maybe 1-2 days a week to come out and interact with other people. It's good for your mental health. It can be good for your physical health, although it can be detrimental if you have to drop hammers on your toes. But the best idea is come along to the shed, have a chat with the people that are there, have a look at it. If you don't like it, fine, don't come back. If you do like it, feel free to come back. You don't have to come every week. It's entirely flexible, but thoroughly good.